Yo, what is good, guys? It is your boy Tonair, and I wanted to record this video because I love this artist. And if you don't know who this artist is, I'm gonna leave her in the description. Go check her out. She's fire. She kind of helps me. Get through, dark thoughts. So honestly, like, keep going, Julia. This got to be like one of the best artists right out right now. And let's run it. Sorry, chat. I didn't realize. Alright, so let's check it. It's your boy Tonair reacting to Julia Wolf. Roll that intro.
I would say it's like having another producer.
Chill, bro. I got it coming on my shoe.
In the room that knows exactly what your song needs. This is Co-Producer, the fastest way to find samples that fit your track. It listens to your track and pulls in samples that fit the rhythm, harmony, and key automatically. No more.
The next stop is On the Radar Radio.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, baby. On the Radar Radio. Yo, Julia Wolf in the building performing Doghouse and In My Room. I'm gonna step out. She gonna step in. All right, let's go.
I was just trying something new. You had to comment on it. I'm zoning out just like a dog who lets everyone in. I'm on the water, passing boys with their shotguns, and wonder how it'd feel to kill something with my hands. When my hands, when my hands, when my when they're out searching for my body, I don't know who they'll find. They've taken everything from me, chew me up and spit me out. Big dog loves a crowd. We'll tell them to search my house. I bet they find you face down. I want your things in my room. I miss you all of the time. I stalk myself on the internet just to see what you'll find. I want your things in my room. I miss you all of the time. You make it look so easy, leaving everything behind. When it's dark out, October will cure me. I'm walking these these words. Am I 30 or 13? Not asking for much, man. Thought maybe you'd call me. I'd slit my own throat just to see if you'd mourn me. Yeah, I want your things in my room. I miss you all of the time. I stalk myself on the internet just to see what you'll find. I want your things in my room. I miss you all of the time. You make it look so easy, leaving everything behind. I want your things in mine. You look so cool, getting high. No handlebars, you wanna fly. You look so cool, I wanna die. Is it too soon to say what's on my mind? I want your things in mine. I want your things in mine.
Yo, on God chat, she gotta be the best one doing it. On God chat, Julia the best one doing it right now. I ain't know anybody got a voice like that in my life. I don't know anybody that makes music like that, bro. That shit is fire. I don't give a fuck. Yo, Julia, you is fire, bro. On God, bro. That shit is so fire, bro. I don't know anybody that make music like that, bro. Everybody try to copy and do that shit, and then she come out, and it's like, where the hell did she come from? Like, that shit is so fire, bro. It's mad different. Like, I don't even know what kind of music to compare that to. Like, that shit is fire. Like, she got the voice, she got the personality, she got the style, the swag, she got the aesthetic. I fuck with it. Yo, Julia, keep doing what you're doing. You know, haters gonna hate, bro. And at the end of the day, bro, you're still doing it, and you're making your dream a reality. So, you know, with that being said, keep doing what you're doing, and you know, one day you're gonna hit a platinum. I believe it. Let's manifest it. Come on, Julia, you're gonna hit that platinum record. So, let's manifest this. That's all I had to say. You feel me? Julia, you're a great artist. I listen to some songs like Jennifer's Body, like that summer song, I can't remember, and then 2022 with Maggie. So, you know what I'm saying? You're fire, bro. Keep doing what you're doing. Tonair out.